Welcome. Practice quieting your mind with this relaxing meditation. Use it to help you fall asleep easier or to relax from a stressful day. Find a comfortable standing or seated position, or you could practice lying down. Let's begin with the Healing Place Mudra. Place your left hand near your belly with the palm facing up. Place your right hand on top, just over your left hand. Notice that there's a slight overlap of my fingertips onto my wrist. We've created a bowl and a lid, and we're placing them together, just below the belly button. Just relax your breath, relax your body, and breathe. Allow your muscles to relax. Focus your attention on your breath. Let your breathing relax you even more. Let go of your thoughts. Feel your mind getting calmer with each inhale and each exhale. Bring your hands together and raise your arms until your fingers and palms are aligned into Namaskaram. This posture helps to connect your power center that's located in your lower abdomen with the energy that flows throughout your body. Aligning your fingers creates a circuit that connects the acupressure points and energy pathways in your hands and arms. Allow this connection to circulate energy throughout your whole body. Just focus on your breathing. Feel the energy circulating. Feel your mind becoming quiet, focused, concentrated. Now, Sankalpa Mudra, this hand posture, establishing our intention. Raise the fingertips till they're pointing towards the sky. Push your left hand against the right until your right palm is facing your shoulder, with your left hand on the inside. Lock into position 1. Let your arms relax. Focus on your breathing. Feel your energy becoming calm and balanced. Allow each inhale to rise and fall. Feel your energy and your emotions becoming calm and relaxed. Unlock the first position of Sankalpa Mudra. Rotate the hand center. Now push the right hand against the left, rotating to the left side of your body with your left palm facing your shoulder. Fold the hands till they're parallel to the ground Let your elbows rest into your sides. Relax and breathe. If at any time you feel tension building, just let your shoulders roll and relax. Feel free to adjust your body or your feet as you need to. Allow any stress from your day to dissolve and release. So natural inhale and exhale. Feel light movement with the belly and the abdomen. Each breath releasing stress and tension. And unlock position 2. Point the fingertips up and rotate center. Bring your arms parallel to the ground. Push your left hand against the right, rotating the right side of the body, the right palm facing up. The third position of Sankalpa Mudra. Let go of thoughts about your past, and for now, let go of thoughts about your future. Just focus in on your breathing. Keeping your shoulders relaxed and your spine upright. Unlock position 3, rotating center. Push the right hand against the left, with your left palm facing up and the right hand on top. Feel your mind relaxing into this moment. Let your mind flow like water in a river. Whatever comes up, just let it float on down. Feel your mind becoming calm, centered, clear. And unlock fourth position. Return to Namaskaram. Rotate the hands so that the left hand is on the bottom and the right hand is on the top, till your hands are near your belly once again. Slide the fingertips, creating the bowl and the lid of Healing Place Mudra. Continue to breathe. Feel the energy building in your hands. Allow the energy to flow from your hands towards your belly, flowing towards your spine, to your power center, your energy center in the lower abdomen. Feel this soothing, calming energy replenish, balance, and restore. Some of you may know this as the area of the sacral chakra. Now, set your intention for healing, for relaxation, and restful sleep. Gently place your hands on your belly. Just let the warmth from your hands continue to seep in towards your lower abdomen, into your belly. Relax your hands. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Nice and easy. One more time. Thank you for relaxing with me.